People tell me you travel too much, but they don't know the region. Traveling is the therapy for me. It helps me forget all the pain inside me. It heals my heart. It makes me feel lively again. Traveling to the nature is the remedy for me. Mountains, rivers, lakes and waterfalls makes me forget I'm poor, weak and broken. My heart expands as it is rich enough to forgive, rich enough to love again. Nature taught me loving yourself is just the selfishness. So, loving all the beings is to love yourself more. Come out of the pond and swim in the ocean to find love, again to love the world. In nature, you and I can be we.